Man, what is popping with you guys on the YouTube? Mr. Buck here, back with another great video. Today, I'm going to be talking about the best ways to learn Forex in 2020. Y'all see my hair changed up this time. Got the braids in. You dig? Thank you guys for the 25 subs. I appreciate it. We're growing here. Little, but we're growing. Man, let's get into the video. This is what you guys came for. I'm going to waste too much of your time. What did I even say? Whatever. First and the most obvious is YouTube, right? You can obviously learn Forex from YouTube. You can actually learn pretty much anything off YouTube these days, right? When you're on YouTube, I do want to tell you though, I wouldn't just be searching a whole bunch of strategies, trading strategies on YouTube, because you're gonna put too much into your brain and you're gonna bounce around from strategy to strategy. So I don't recommend doing that at all. Next, you gotta read books, okay? Read you some books, you guys. Books, I feel like books are like slowly becoming outdated. I don't know. The Kindle came in and, you know, destroyed the book. So now it's the tablet, not the book anymore. Anyway, get you some books, read books. There's a lot of good books up. There's a lot of good books out there. Me personally, I like Naked Forex. These are the books I pretty much got, you know what I'm saying? And this book, Naked Forex, is a good book to start you off on. I just recently started getting into this book, Price Action Scalping. Go online and Google the top Forex books, and you're gonna get a list. Read the article. You gotta read, okay? Reading is very important for the brain to understand a lot of things. Videos is only gonna get you so far, okay? You have to read and engage yourself into, you know, what you're trying to learn. Next, I'm gonna get into courses. Courses. A lot of people who, you know, sell courses here on YouTube, or, you know, even beyond YouTube. There's a lot of Forex courses out there. I do recommend you find yourself a course that you're comfortable with studying. Find someone that you trust and that you know is actually doing this trading stuff for real and is actually a pro trader. Grab their course. You know, it can't hurt you. It can only hurt your bank account if you don't have enough money, but don't ever spend money you don't have, okay? Me personally, I got the Swag Academy, and I'm thinking about getting other courses just to get other people's perspective and point of view. I love to see what other people think, and just see different points of views. It helps me gather the information and process it in my own way, if you get what I'm kind of saying. Another thing is you have to backtest, okay? Backtesting is probably the most important thing when it comes to learning Forex, because your backtesting is you basically applying your strategy on historical data. So you can go back years in the market and, you know, take trades and, you know, play it out and see what the market actually did. That is probably the best thing you can do for yourself once you build a trading plan. Backtest the hell out of it. If you take anything from this video, go backtest, because that's what I'm doing right now on my Forex journey. I'm backtesting. You feel what I'm saying? Next, I'm gonna say avoid IML or MLM. Okay. Now, to each his own, but me personally, from my experience, I would avoid an IML. Okay, I would avoid that multi-level marketing, because they are more focused on marketing than trading. That's all I'm gonna get into it. Avoid the IML Academy. Get local, okay? What I mean by this is see who's trading in your city. You know, search around and see if you can find any traders that anybody who is, you know, kind of like you trying to learn how to trade, or any traders you can find in your city or a city near you. What I did was I live in Milwaukee. I searched traders in Milwaukee. Forex traders in Milwaukee. It's good to engage with people in person. You know, the internet it's okay, but for you to see other people right in front of you that are trying to do what you do, or are doing what you're aspiring to do. Sorry, my words. It'll give you more confidence because you're seeing it firsthand. Next, mindset. All right, if you're a positive kind of person, a lot more positive things will happen to you. If you're a person who, you know, whose mind is always on negative thoughts, negative things, I believe you'll attract more negative things in your life. So you gotta really take control of your mindset and really be a strong individual to learn anything. It's not even just Forex. You wanna work on your mind and work on yourself, okay? But really, you have to believe in yourself, okay? If you're gonna do anything in this life, you have to believe in yourself, okay? You can't go in, doubting yourself or with any kind of disbelief, because that's gonna stop you right there. So you have to believe you can do it. You can be a professional trader. Why not? You can pull profits from the market, and all these other people are doing it. You can do it too. You gotta take care of yourself, okay? Work out. You know what I'm saying? Wash your face, brush your teeth, floss. Take care of yourself. You know what I'm saying? Drink water. Eat fruit, eat vegetables. You want to take care of your body. Fruits, vegetables, things like that is gonna give you more energy throughout the day for you to actually be able to be motivated to do things. Gotta change your view of money, okay? A lot of people have a bad stigma around money. You know what I'm saying? Answer this question: true or false? All rich people are bad people. Now, if you said true, you got to do some reevaluating on the way you think about money. Have good views on money. Don't think money is the root of all evil, or whenever you get money, you're gonna be a bad person. No, you're never gonna get money if you're thinking like that. Think of money as a tool. Think of money as something good. You know what I'm saying? Change your view of money. Consistency. You have to be consistent in whatever you're doing. So if you want to watch YouTube videos every single day. Read every single day. If it's not but 30 minutes, if it's not but 15 minutes, do it every single day. We're creatures of habit. So if you do it every single day for a month, guess what? One day you don't do it, you're going to be thinking like, damn, I'm missing something today. You see what I'm saying? We're creatures of habit. So consistency is the key with anything. I'm trying to be consistent on this YouTube page. Try to post once a week. Now, if I don't stay consistent on it, guess what? This YouTube channel is not going to grow. You see what I'm saying? I'm basically, in a sense, I don't want to say this, but doing it for nothing. You want to be consistent, okay? So if you want to be the best or you want to be successful, you have to be consistent. You have to have hard work and determination. You know what I'm saying? You got to be determined. What is your why? Think of why you're doing this. You always want to have that in the back of your mind. Write down certain goals to keep you determined, to keep you working hard. Be the best you can be in this world. I believe in every single one of you watching. If you click this video, I believe in you. You know what I'm saying? You just have to believe in yourself, work hard, and use the knowledge that's out here. It's a lot of knowledge out here. You know what I'm saying? If you're watching this, you're probably even a millennial. Said that totally wrong. You know how to use computers and find information. There's no excuses. Get to it. Every day you can work at this. It's plenty of people doing what you're trying to do. Yeah, thanks so much for watching. Subscribe, you guys. Thank you so much for 25 subs. Like I said, go ahead and subscribe. Appreciate you guys watching and the way it looks.